If you've tried getting a Temu Free Gift recently and it didn't work, you're not alone, because the truth is, the method people used before doesn't always work the same way anymore. Temu has changed how their system behaves in 2026. So in this video, I'm going to show you a real method that still works right now, without wasting time on outdated tricks. Before we start, I've placed the current working Temu Free Gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case Temu rotates the main one. What changed in 2026? Earlier, people could open Temu, enter code, start the event. Now it's more controlled. Temu tracks how you enter, your session behavior, your account type, promotion timing. That's why many users now say, it worked before, but not anymore. And they're not wrong. The real method that still works. This is the updated way based on how the system behaves now. Step 1. Start with the promotion, not the app. Do not open Temu first. Instead, use the link in the description. This step is critical. It tells Temu you're entering through a promotional event, not just normal browsing. Temu's system relies heavily on this entry signal now. Step 2. Activate before doing anything else. Once the page opens, scan QR if on phone, or use manual activation. Only after this, open Temu. If you browse before activation, the system may not trigger the free gift flow. Step 3. Confirm the event is active. When you open Temu, check for Free Gift section, Reward Interface, Event Layout. If the app looks completely normal, the activation didn't work. Step 4. Enter the free gift code. Now enter the code shown on screen. This connects your account to the current promotion cycle. At this point, the system should respond, not silently fail. Important reality. Most people ignore. Temu Free Gift is not a simple giveaway. It's a marketing system designed to drive engagement and referrals. That means it works. People do get items, but it depends on conditions, and not every attempt succeeds. Some campaigns even require referrals or actions to unlock higher value rewards. Why this method still works? Because you're entering through the correct flow, activating before browsing, matching how Temu tracks sessions, using updated codes, instead of relying on outdated shortcuts. Final takeaway, if Temu Free Gift hasn't worked for you recently, it's probably not the code. It's the method. Use the updated flow, follow the correct order, and treat it like a system, not a shortcut. And if it works for you, comment what item you unlocked. I'm curious what results you're getting in 2026.